2 days ago. I bought something on Amazon because I had enough money.
At least look at the camera.
Oh, fuck you.
Okay.
I bought a lamp. The lamp's coming tomorrow because they canceled my shit and refunded me $30. So I ordered one again today. But the other two stuff came. So I'm gonna open this one. So where are the skeezers at? I just got the scissors.
Dog.
Dog. Where are the scissors?
Alright, we finally found the fucking scissors.
Yes, they're in my back pocket the entire time.
Oh, nice, nice.
Alright, so we're gonna open this.
Oh, that's nice, that's nice. Would you look at that?
I got volume 2.
It's a flashlight. I'm editing a flashlight.
Yes, flashlight. You can open this flashlight. I'm gonna read it soon. It's a flashlight.
Nice, nice. And what's the other package?
Oh, the other
The package that you definitely didn't open yet.
Oh yes, the package I definitely did not open.
Okay. Oh yes, package. Now open it for us.
Okay, it's open.
Oh shit. Hey, that's my sword.
It is. Wow. So I had to buy myself a gun.
Huh. Would you look at that? Well, then I'm out of here.